Welcome to my channel Crafty Funda. Let's have fun craft with empty matchboxes. Take a matchbox and remove its cover. Paint the inner box with color of your choice. Take 3mm stripe and quill it. Untighten the loop and press from both sides. Glue the open end. Make 7 such petals. Take green stripe and paste 1 petal at the top. Paste more petals below it. Let it dry. Make one more with different color. Paste them in the box. Make leaves and paste them on the stems. Let's cover the outbox. Paste paper on one side of the box to close it. Take gift paper and wrap it. Turn the extra paper inside from open end. Turn the paper from other end and glue it. Cut the extra paper. Make a hole in the inner part of the box. Take keychain and fix it in the hole made. Close the box. New style keychains are ready.